What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice and vegetables. I like simple and healthy meals. My mother cooks very tasty food at home. Sometimes we also eat fruits after dinner. Eating healthy food helps us stay strong, active, and happy every day.
What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up early and brush my teeth. Then I drink a glass of water and take a bath. After that, I eat breakfast with my family. Finally, I get ready for school and start my day with energy.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Rohan. We study in the same class at school. He is very kind and helpful. We like playing games and studying together. Whenever I have a problem, he helps me and gives good advice.
What do you like to watch on television?
I like to watch educational programs and cartoons on television. Sometimes I also watch news to learn about what is happening in the world. Watching useful programs helps me learn new things and improves my knowledge.
Why should we drink water?
Water is very important for our body. It keeps us healthy and active. Drinking enough water helps our body work properly. It also keeps our skin fresh and helps digestion. Everyone should drink clean water many times during the day.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I finish my homework and revise my lessons. After that, I go outside and play with my friends. Playing games makes me feel happy and active. Later, I return home, eat dinner with my family, and prepare for the next day.
Why should we help others?
Helping others is a good habit. When we help people in need, it makes them happy. It also creates kindness and friendship in society. Helping others makes us feel proud and satisfied. A small act of kindness can make a big difference.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. I enjoy learning new words and practicing speaking. English helps me communicate with people from different places. My teacher explains the lessons very clearly, so I understand them easily and feel confident while speaking.
What do you like to do with your family?
I like spending time with my family. Sometimes we watch movies together or talk about our day. On weekends, we go for a walk or visit relatives. Being with my family makes me feel safe, happy, and loved.
Why is reading important?
Reading is important because it improves our knowledge and language skills. When we read books, we learn new ideas and words. Reading also improves imagination and concentration. It helps students perform better in school and understand the world.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is the park near my house. It is quiet and full of green trees. Many people come there for walking and exercise. I enjoy playing with my friends and breathing fresh air in the park.
Why should we respect our parents?
We should respect our parents because they care for us and work hard for our happiness. They guide us and teach us good values. Parents support us in difficult times. Showing respect and love to them is our duty and responsibility.
What do you do before going?
Before going to bed, I finish my homework and prepare my school bag. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. Sometimes I read a small story or talk with my family. After that, I say goodnight and go to sleep.
Why is kindness important?
Kindness is important because it makes the world a better place. When we speak politely and help others, people feel happy and respected. Kindness builds strong relationships and trust. Even small acts of kindness can bring big smiles to people's faces.
What do you do when you are?
When I am happy, I like to share my happiness with my family and friends. Sometimes I listen to music, watch a movie, or play games. Happiness makes me feel positive and energetic, and it helps me enjoy every moment of life.
Why should we study regularly?
Studying regularly helps us understand our lessons better. It improves our knowledge and memory. When we study every day, we do not feel stressed during exams. Regular study also helps us achieve good results and reach our future goals.
What do you like to learn?
I like learning new things every day. I enjoy studying English and learning new vocabulary words. I also like watching educational videos and reading interesting books. Learning helps me become smarter and more confident in life.
What do you do when you feel tired?
When I feel tired, I take some rest and relax my mind. Sometimes I drink water or listen to soft music. A short break helps my body recover energy. After resting for some time, I feel fresh and ready to continue my work.
Why should we keep our surroundings clean?
Keeping our surroundings clean is very important for good health. Clean places reduce diseases and make the environment beautiful. Everyone should throw garbage in dustbins and keep public places clean. A clean environment helps people live safely and happily.
What makes you proud?
I feel proud when I achieve my goals or help someone in need.
When my teachers and parents appreciate my work, it makes me happy. Working hard and doing good things in life gives me confidence and pride.